In May of 2021, when I purchased this home, I knew I had a major reconstruction ahead of me. Every space in this house needed to be touched. I actually interviewed 6 contractors. So when I met Scott, he definitely was one that stood out to me, mainly because he came in. He could not only see my vision, but explain to me what had to be done for me to accomplish this vision that I had in my head of the way I wanted this house to look. He gave me good structural advice. The way he presented himself put me at ease, was very knowledgeable. And then once we did start, I was very impressed with the process and procedures. That was probably the biggest thing that impressed me, was how he laid it all out, the communication tools that you have. There is no doubt that I would definitely recommend Total Quality Construction. At the end of it all, it's exactly what I wanted.